National Jersey Friday occurs every first Friday in November, on November 5th this year, to the delight of sports fans around the country who get to wear the jerseys of their favorite sports personalities. People of all ages can cheer for their favorite teams together and organize special sporting activities where heated arguments about past games and events will ensue. This Friday will unearth rivalries yet bring unity. And it goes beyond soccer. Every other team sport that requires jersey uniforms is included in the fun. Any lover of sports can join in the common camaraderie to observe National Jersey Friday and proudly wear their jerseys. The term jersey comes from the island of Jersey in the English Channel, where natives have a long tradition of knitting, and the earliest sports clothing was made. The first gymnasts were from Germany. They wore gray linen uniforms at first, but by the 1890s, cotton shirts became more common. When team sports emerged with the need to tell players apart, their shirts were dyed in many different colors, and symbols and numbers were sewn on. At the 1896 Olympics, athletes from the same nation wore different clothes to compete. By the 1908 London Games, uniform clothing regulations were put in place for all competitors, and the word jersey was mentioned for the first time in a sportswear context. The first sports jerseys were made with cotton or wool fabrics before synthetic versions like nylon and lycra came about in the 30s. The first synthetic jerseys were quite uncomfortable, yet by the 70s, they were the most popular and seen as perfect for sports. Not until 1970 did sports teams begin to create a strong identity for themselves and take the idea of commercializing their shirts seriously, starting from when English football team Leeds United became the first to design shirts that could be sold to fans as replicas in 1975. Moved by the success, other clubs followed suit, adding manufacturers' logos and a higher trim level to their shirt designs. Jerseys became even more mainstream when German team Eintracht Braunschweig became the first to sign a deal to display a sponsor's logo on the front of their shirts. By the 80s and 90s, almost all major clubs had signed such deals, increasing the value of sponsorships, especially for larger teams. In the U.S., the North American Soccer League was the first to experiment with printing the players' names on their shirts and assigning each player a squad number. The day was started by the National Football League Players Association to bring fans together and build a sense of community through the uniforms of their sports teams. Wear the jersey of your favorite sports player to observe National Jersey Friday today. Wear it to work, school, restaurants, or even around your home. On this day, event is an educational project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.